Good morning, students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Let's start a new chapter, chapter 6, Safety and First Aid. So, students, tell me about safety first. So, we should follow safety rules first. Small and big accidents can take place inside or outside our houses. So, we should follow safety rules always. And if you are careful, you can avoid most of these accidents very easily. Okay? So, you should follow safety rules always. Now, there are many things which are useful in life, but you also have to be careful with while using them. So, student, there are many things which are useful, but we should careful about those things. Otherwise, you hurt yourself and accidents happen all of a sudden. Okay, so there are some places where you spend most of your time. You should be careful in such places and try to keep yourself safe. Okay, now complete the name of things that you keep in a first aid box. So, identify this picture. This is Savlon. In the next picture, we see bandage. In the next picture, we see scissors. And in the next picture, we see tablets, which is painkiller. Now, students, talking about safety rules to be followed at home. Homes are very comfortable for us, but we can get hurt if we are careless. Okay, so be careful and work under the care of elders. Like always pay full attention when you work with a sharp instrument, otherwise you get hurt. Next, never play near the gas stove. Okay, students, especially when the flame is on. Next, do not play with the knobs of the gas stove as the gas may leak and cause a fire. Next, never wear nylon cloths when you are near a flame as they catch fire very easily. Next, never use any broken plugs or switches as you may get an electric shock. Next, take only those medicine which your elders given you or give you. So, students, always be careful or take safety rules at home also. Now, talking about safety rules on the road. So, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Cross the road only when the light for pedestrian is green. Next, before crossing the road, first shoot at your right, then left, and again right. Then cross only when the road is clear. Next, do not run on the road. Next, always walk on the footpath. Next, never get in or get off from a moving bus. And never lean out of the window of a moving vehicle as you may hurt yourself. So, these are the rules for road and you should follow these rules very carefully. Now, talking about safety rules at school. So, it is very important to follow few simple safety rules at school also. Like, do not carry blades to sharpen your pencils. You may accidentally cut your fingers. So, very careful. Next, always walk in a queue and do not push each other. Someone might fall down and get hurt. Okay? and never jump on the tables or desk and chairs. And do not let your bag and water bottle lie about on the floor, as someone may trip and fall. So these are the basic safety rules you should have follow. Okay, now talking about safety rules to be followed in the playground. So following safety rules in the playground will help you to have fun and enjoy without getting hurt. But there are some safety rules you should have follow in the playground also, like never push others while playing on the swings, merry-go-rounds and slides. Always wait for your turn. Okay. Next, always follow the rules of the game and do not fight while playing. Next, never touch or try to pet strange animals, as they might bite or scratch you. So always stay away from stray dogs and animals. Next, it may be very dangerous if elders are not informed and proper medicine is not taken for it. Like never go alone for a swim. Always swim at the shallow end. Next, follow instructions and signs that are put up for you at different places. So do not neglect them, as they can save you from accidents. Okay, students? Talking about first aid. So if you know how to react in times of emergency, you can avoid further damage and pain. The sooner you get help, the better it is. So बच्चों, फर्स्ट एड वो है जो हमको समय पे मिल जाए. It gets hurt less at that time. Student, first aid is the first treatment given to an injured person before the arrival of a doctor or an adult. Okay. Now, first aid in some emergency cases. So different types of treatments are given for different types of injuries, like bone fracture, like injury due to heat or burns. So bone fracture, tie a bandage using a scale or cardboard in order to give support to the broken bone and take him to the doctor. And from heat and burns, in case of mild burn, immerse the part in cold water or milk. And in case your clothes caught fire, roll on the floor or wrap a thin blanket around yourself. इससे क्या होगा बच्चों? आग बुझ जाएगी. Now, it is very important to know some telephone numbers like fire brigade, police, along with the telephone numbers of neighbors and relatives. वो आपको जल्दी हेल्प दे पाएंगे. And remember that accidents happen less often if you are prepared and careful when you work or play. Okay, students? So always follow safety rules whenever you go to avoid accidents. I hope you all understand very well. We will meet you in next class. Thank you. Bye, children.